Question 1. The marine biologist studied ocean creatures carefully. Dolphins, whales, sea turtles, and colorful tropical fish. Question 2. How many books did you read during the holidays? Asked the enthusiastic librarian at the reading program. Question 3. The robotics team designed innovative machines, programmed complex algorithms, tested various sensors, and participated in competitions. Question 4. I wonder if we'll see any shooting stars tonight, mused the astronomer as she adjusted the telescope carefully. Question 5. Before the theatrical performance, actors applied makeup, rehearsed their lines, and prepared costumes backstage. Question 6. The organic farm produces fresh vegetables, carrots, lettuce, tomatoes, and herbs for the local farmers market. Question 7. What time does the train depart for London? Inquired the nervous traveller while checking the departure board. Question 8. The wildlife sanctuary protects endangered species. Snow leopards, giant pandas, African elephants, and mountain gorillas. Question 9. Please bring your identification, reminded the security guard, when you enter the government building tomorrow. Question 10. While conducting the chemistry experiment, students measured liquids, recorded observations, and analyzed chemical reactions safely. Question 11. The renewable energy project includes several components: solar panels, wind turbines, battery storage, and smart grid technology. Question 12. Where did you learn to play the piano so beautifully? Complimented the music teacher after the student recital. Question 13. The historical museum displays ancient artifacts, pottery fragments, bronze weapons, jewelry pieces, and preserved manuscripts. Question 14. After completing the marathon, runners received medals, stretched their muscles, and celebrated their achievements together. Question 15. I think the weather will improve, predicted the meteorologist confidently, because the storm is moving eastward. Question 16. The culinary school teaches essential techniques: knife skills, sauce preparation, baking methods, and food presentation. Question 17. Why did the experiment produce unexpected results? Puzzled the research scientist while reviewing the laboratory data. Question 18. During the archaeological excavation, teams uncovered ancient tools, discovered burial sites, documented historical evidence, and preserved cultural artifacts. Question 19. Could you explain the mathematical concept again? Requested the confused student during the algebra tutorial session. Question 20. The Space Observatory monitors celestial objects, distant galaxies, exploding stars, planetary systems, and cosmic phenomena. Question 21. Remember to save your work frequently, advised the computer teacher to avoid losing important data files. Question 22. The botanical garden showcases diverse plant species: tropical orchids, desert cacti, medicinal herbs, and rare flowering trees. Question 23. While preparing for the debate competition, students researched topics, practiced public speaking, and developed persuasive arguments. Question 24. What innovative solutions can we implement? Brainstormed the engineering team during their creative problem solving session. Question 25. The recycling center processes various materials: plastic bottles, aluminum cans, paper products, and electronic waste responsibly.